Well, we've just received this rather puzzling drawing from one of our gCADPlus users, and the problem being, if we select these little, the drawing's got these little plus signs in it. If we select one of those little plus signs and text is missing, and we look over in the properties box, see the property of that element is win text. So that gives us the clue as to what's going on. The text there must have been drawn with a Windows font set to the text style. If I select this piece of text here, and I'll pop it there, that's an example of some Windows text. If we look at it, select it, and look in the properties box, it's a style called Bradley Hand. If we go to Format, Text Styles, what I've done is set up a brand new text font called Bradley Hand. Let's pick another text font. We'll set up another style and we'll use a Windows font for the style. So here we go, Style 1, click over here and scroll down. The little divider symbol indicates a proper CAD font. The little double blue TT gives us Windows fonts, and there's the Bradley Hand that I just set up. In order to set a new one up, you have to scroll quite a long way through the CAD font list down into the Windows area. So here are the TrueType fonts for Windows, and you can scroll down through those and find one that picks the sort of look and feel that you want. Let's pick Calibra, and we'll go OK. So we now have a style called Style 1 Calibra Light, and we can now use it to create a piece of text as I did with the earlier one. We do have to make it current, so Style 1 is now made current, and let's go to Draw and Text, TrueType Text, and let's say Style Calibra, and we'll OK that. Text insertion point there, height, well, I'll say 100, and rotation angle 0, and in goes the text. So we can quickly use Style Match Properties and just match the properties of this text, which says I'm a piece of Win text as an element, and this text here, which is also Win text. So we can go Modify and Match Properties, pick up the Style Calibra and apply it there, and magically the species names and other detailing appears. So the problem, which was difficult to resolve, has now been solved. If you're going to use Windows text, you have to be quite careful. The Windows text has to be current before you actually apply. And of course, as you move the drawing to another computer, the particular Windows font that you use to create that text style must be available on the new computer. If it's not, you'll get the result that we saw here.